Fire can strike unexpectedly. Being prepared means knowing exactly what to do. Each type of fire requires a different extinguisher. Choosing the right extinguisher is crucial. Using the wrong one could make things worse. Before using the extinguisher, remember these 3 key steps. Use the correct extinguisher. Keep an escape route behind you. If unsure, evacuate immediately. Use the pass method. Pull the pin. Aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever. Sweep side to side. Stay vigilant even after the fire seems out. Fires can reignite. Avoid common mistakes. Don't stand too close, aim at the base, and never turn your back. If the fire grows or feels out of control, evacuate immediately. Your safety comes first. The fire extinguisher is your first defense, but only if you know how to use it. Be prepared. Be safe. Fire safety isn't about luck, it's about preparation.